Hey. So today we're going to be looking at cumulative frequency tables, and in particular we're going to look at how to construct one. Now we've actually been doing it for a while now. It's what we've been calling CF when we've been doing finding our medians and quartiles, Q1 and Q3. So doing the first bit's going to be pretty straightforward, and then we're going to be showing how we can use it. So just to see from this table here, we've got the birth weight in kilograms, and then we've got the number of children here. The number of children, well, that's a type of frequency. And so when we add our cumulative frequency part of it, that is going to be the next section of the table. So let me just pause and set up the table. Alrighty. So let's just do up the cumulative frequency. So we start with 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 18 is 22. 22 plus 15 is 37. 37 plus 7 is 44. 44 plus 4 is 48, and 48 plus 2 is 50. And hey, look, that's a nice round number. And double check, that's how many this says. Birth weights of 50 children. And indeed there were. So insert a cumulative frequency column into the table. We've done that. And interpret the result to determine the number of children born with a birth weight less than 4.5 kilograms. So let's actually understand what this means. This here tells us that there were 15 between 3.5 and 4. But when we get to here, this actually says that everyone below 4 was 37. So if you were 2.5 kilograms, that's less than, or 3.1, well, that's less than. So everyone who was below, there was 37 children who were born below 4. So the question in particular is asking not for 4 kilograms, but 5 kilograms. So one option is I could just add them all up. But since I've got this convenient number, well, it's 44. So therefore, there were 44 children born less than 4.5 kilograms. Alrighty. Now, obviously, we could have just worked that out by using the frequencies, but sometimes we might not be given the frequencies. We might only ever be given the cumulative frequency. So let's think about the opposite of that. How many babies were born more than 4.5 kilograms? Well, we know the answer would be 6, but imagine we didn't know that. So if I wanted to do more than, well, since I know 44 were less than 4.5, well, 50 minus 44 gives me 6, which is what we thought it should have been. So therefore, there were 6 children born greater than 4.5 kilograms. And all of this makes sense in total because we can kind of recognize that if there were 44 children who were less than 4.5 and there were 6 children greater than 4.5, well, in total, there must be 50 people, and indeed there are. So you can kind of get an idea of how we can actually use that. See you in the next one. Goodbye.